The all-new Audi Q5 is defined by its progressive design, superior functionality, and all-round performance. A sculpturally flared single-frame grille dominates the aerodynamic flat front end, while a distinctively curved and strong shoulder line gives structure to the side. Now with an extensive 550-litre luggage compartment and up to 90 kilograms lighter with more power. In a choice of 4-cylinder engines ranging from 190 PS to 252 PS with Audi's revolutionary Quattro on demand, switching effortlessly between two-wheel and all-wheel drive when you most need it. With more efficient driving and innovative advanced driver assistance programs such as adaptive cruise control with predictive efficiency assist, your journey will feel hassle-free. On the inside, the spacious all-new Audi Q5 has incredible visibility, with better passenger comfort, with increased knee and headroom thanks to a longer wheelbase. Audi smartphone interface is also included, while optional advanced Audi technology such as the groundbreaking Audi Virtual Cockpit, MMI Navigation Plus and Audi Connect provide new features like Google Earth and Google Street View. While the optional Bang & Olufsen speakers with 3D surround sound will make your music sound better than ever before. From the way it looks to the way it drives, it's all you'd expect of a next-generation Audi SUV. Redesigned, re-engineered, revealed. The all-new Audi Q5. Vorsprung durch Technik.
For a vehicle to be a luxury brand's bestseller, certain facets must be true. It must be powerful, beautiful, exciting. All qualities expected from any Audi. But it must also be something more. Something versatile enough to express one's individuality in any situation and push the limit of expectation. Since its debut, the Q5 has delivered on this promise, and the new 2018 Q5 has numerous new features that will continue its leadership position. The new Q5 adopts our newest design language and drive technology that bring changes at nearly every level. The available head-up display helps keep focus on the road, while the available virtual cockpit displays gauges and infotainment on its 12.3-inch screen. New climate controls are touch-sensitive, while the redesigned MMI can be navigated by handwriting on the touchpad, rotary knob, or natural language selection. The new drive select modes allow for a more customized drive, and when equipped with the available adaptive damping suspension, sensors detect changes in ride quality and automatically control the hydraulic shock absorbers for increased comfort. Perhaps the most important innovation in the 2018 Q5 is the new Quattro with Ultra technology, the benefits of all-wheel drive, combined with better efficiency over the previous system. Quattro with Ultra technology was designed by Audi engineers to become fully engaged in a quarter second and uses sophisticated sensors and software to run simulations on what traction can be like a half second in the future. Since the system can engage in half that time, all-wheel drive can be available before it's even needed. And permanent all-wheel drive is still available with the Off-Road Drive Select. At Audi, progression is the evolution of our technology, but it's also redefining what a vehicle's place can be entirely. Vehicle-to-infrastructure technology is what will help guide a piloted and autonomous future. The new Q5 introduces the first steps with a new service from Audi Connect Prime called Traffic Light Information. Audi data servers receive traffic light phase information in select cities and can display the time it takes for the next light to turn green in the head-up display and virtual cockpit. The Audi Connect app for compatible smartphones can lock and unlock doors, view vehicle status, and set alerts to notify you of unexpected or unauthorized use. Unlimited Wi-Fi hotspot capability is available with 4G LTE, while Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard. And finally, the new Q5 incorporates many of Audi's latest driver assistance systems to help ease the stress of the road. Audi's best-selling successor has a lot to live up to, and yet it manages to surpass expectation in every way. The all-new Audi Q5.